students, this is your friends from the Geospatial Lab. You remember me, Teresa and Zach, and we're here to help you as we would if you were able to come here in person, but we all know that the coronavirus got in the way. But we are very happy to help you work through your final project today, and we're going to start with a very small and conceptual run through of the steps that you need to take to get this done. And Zach is going to help us with an introduction.
Okay, so the project seems overwhelming at first, but we're just going to break it down into the steps you need to do in order to complete the project. So I'm just going to list them right off. They're here on the board in blue. So first you want to read the instructions so that then you can go through your criteria, review the data that you receive on your map, set up a model, we'll explain more about that later, and lastly, design a layout.
Yeah, and we'll create more videos on this. There will be a lot of videos that you can go to that will be kind of short, and it will explain in detail what you need to do in each one of these steps, but we wanted to give you an overview of what is the step that you need to take, what is the outcome that you want from this step, and then there will be a lot more detail in other videos. So step number 1 is read your instructions, which is very important. Read the instructions truly so you can figure out what's your research question, the purpose of your project, so that you have that like end in mind and everything you do for the rest of the process. That's your goal. Then step number 2.
So step number 2, you're gonna have to go through your criteria and determine whether the criteria is something you want in your map or something you don't want in your map. Like we said, we'll explain more of what that means later. But by the end of that, you'll have lists of criteria and you'll know what you want to do with those two things based on the lists you make.
Then the third step is more of the hands-on view. You're going to get on a computer and you're going to look at your data. All the data that you need is on the Q drive, and you need to make a copy of it or anything. Just get it from the Q drive, take it to the map, look at it, and figure out what is it that you need to do with it. Do you need to clip it? Do you need to query things out? Do I need to transform this into like a sloped layer? We'll talk more about it, but you need to just check your data, see what you need to do.
Something unique about this project is we're having you do it in an environment called Model Builder. Model Builder is very helpful and it allows us to basically visualize everything we're doing step by step. So once we know what we need to do from step 3, then we can bring it into a model and basically do everything that you're used to doing in a map through a place called Model Builder, which your teachers and we will explain more thoroughly.
And you'll love this. This will make your life a lot easier, especially since this is a large project. It will be a nice way to keep everything organized and work problems a lot more efficiently. So you'll love this, we promise. And then the very last step, which is our very favorite and your very favorite, is designing the map. It's creating a layout and working on the cartography so you can design your map and send the message to the public, and it's something that they can understand. And this is the fun part. So this is the overview of all the steps that we're gonna go through on different videos, but we wanted you to just have like a big idea of what's gonna happen. And thank you so much for still coming to us, even though we do it remotely this time.